Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to be doing is taking off with the Mavic 3. I'm going to set it up, fly in the air, around the neighborhood, but I'll be sitting on my couch. I'm going to do two things just to see how the penetration is, signal penetration, because with this, it's supposed to be OcuSync 3 Plus. My first video I did, I flew near the church down the road, and that's usually where I lose connection, and I had solid bars. I think maybe I lost one, where usually with the Air S2, the Air 2, and the Mini 2 that I had, they all lost connection as soon as I either went past or got near that church. So we'll do the same with me being in here, just stock like this, and then if it does start losing connection because I'm inside, I'll throw these on just to see if that works. Now these are the Yagi-Uda antennas. These are for the 5.5 gigahertz, and there's other ones that are longer for the 2.4 gigahertz, but these are for the 5 gigahertz band, and it has a small reflector too. So, well, we'll see how that goes, how that works out. So here's what's going on. I'm just doing a split screen right now, then I'll take the split screen off. I'm doing a screen recording also at the same time. So we've got the Mavic 3, the Master Air Screw Stealth props are on, and what we're gonna do is stick this outside. I'm coming back in here. We're gonna take off and see how good the signal penetration is, because this is supposed to be OcuSync 3 Plus. And then if I have any issues, which I doubt I will, but we'll throw these on, the Yagi-Uda 2.4 Yagi-Uda. These are the 5 gigahertz antennas with a little parabolic dish on the bottom on the antennas, on the stock antenna of the controller, and we'll see how that turns out. So now I'm just going to get rid of the this what do you call it, this dual screen, and we'll just go regular screen here. We'll go like that. There. So now that's continuing. So I'm gonna pause this now. Now we're just doing this screenshot or screen record. So what I'm gonna do is just pause and set the drone outside. Okay, so the drone is outside now. Just waiting for the satellites to connect. So I've got 17 satellites. Maps are good. There we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So that's good. So I'm gonna keep it in camera mode. Just keep it in auto. Take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let it hover for a little second. Get that good GPS. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna go inside. Got the Master Air Screw Stealth props on there. And we're gonna fly around. Watch out, Willow. Watch out. Okay. Alright, so inside, let me grab the parabolic dish in Yagi-Uda. So far, looking good, solid connection. So, first test. So let's go 190 feet, 200 feet. That's good enough. Set this down a little bit. Horizon a little bit tilted, and there is a wind. So full RC strength. Here's the church, and usually right about here I start losing connection. So let's face down. Yep, church is right there, and RC connection is going orange, but I didn't lose connection. Starting to lose bars. But still, I didn't lose connection. Now I'm starting to lose. Going red. Come back. Okay. It's coming back. Okay. So so now we're back at home base right here. What I'm going to do is stick the antennas on and see how it works out then. Now these are definitely directional antennas, so for sure you got to be facing. Are they on there? Okay, I gotta take my phone off for a second because they're getting blocked. There we go. Okay, now they're on. Let's try this again. Okay. All right. So now the Yagi-Uda antennas are on. I'm gonna have to readjust the because they see I gotta turn that down. When I let go of the stick now, it still goes. I just have to turn that setting down a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna bring it down to 200 feet. Normal mode, so obstacle avoidance is on. All right, let's try this again. Let's bring it up 200 feet. So I've got the Yagi-Uda antennas on. Usually right around there. I lose it. Now I've got full strength with the Yagi-Uda antennas and reflector on. Starting to lose it there. Turn back. Not bad. This time I didn't lose connection. Or at least it didn't go red. Back to full strength. Okay, this is... Okay, right here is back to home base. And it is pretty windy. The app said the gusts of winds were like 35 kilometers an hour, so not too shabby. 215 feet. Let's try one more run. Let's try going this way. We'll go around this way. So I've got it's directional, so I'm facing that direction. We got full strength. Try to hit this corner here. Starting to lose a couple bars. Not bad. Goes red, still goes red. So there still might be something there that's definitely interfering. Because now I'm going this way. Now I've got full strength again. So there's definitely something here that interferes. Now it could be this apartment building. It's got a lot of Wi-Fi, but see, when I get near here, I'm right here. This is right in between the drone and the house, and it's nothing there. It's something to do with this church. I don't know what it is. Ever since I've started flying around, as soon as I hit this church, if I'm outside though, no problems. Without the Yagi-Uda antenna. Let's see how this works out. So I gotta make sure I'm facing. There we go. See? Starts going yellow or orange. And I'm directly facing it. So now I'm coming back. Control signal may be blocked. Yeah. See? No. Signal should be fine now. Let's see how I'm gonna stick it in sport mode. No obstacle avoidance, but let's get out there and hustle. So now I gotta face the other way because I'm facing the other way. Yep, see, no issues. I started losing a little bit because started losing it a little bit, but I still had a feed and it didn't stutter. So, and that is a big piece of metal too, that water tower. I don't know. Let's go this way. Make sure I face that way. Yeah, that seems to be fine. Let's go out this way. I'll gain some altitude too. Getting altitude will definitely help with the signal. Yeah, full RC strength. Okay, let's go back this way. Still have the antennas on. Starting to lose signal. Now I am shooting through the house and through a second floor. So let's come back this way. Not too shabby. Let's see where I'm at. There we go. Alright. Let's get the... Okay, here we go. So, in conclusion, there's still interference somewhere near that church. But other than that, pretty good. Turn the obstacle avoidance back on. Alright, I'm gonna go outside. Land this sucker. So there you have it. That's the performance I'm getting. And it is windy outside. For sure. Turn obstacle avoidance off just so I can bring it in more closer. There we go.
Landing.
That's it. That's it for the video.